Welcome to another class of data science. This is Vivian here. Today we're going to look at conditional statements in Python, which is if else. It's usually used to make decisions. If something is true, then do this, if or else do that. So if else works in a way that if a particular condition is true, so you have to give a statement, and if it's true, you execute that. If not, do something else. So for example, let me create a new Python 3 Jupyter notebook. In here I'm going to give a equal to 2 and create b equal to 3. Now in this case, if I want to check if a is greater than b, this is how you kind of go ahead with it. You give a colon and then indent it, because that's how you know that this is whatever is writing is in the body of if print a is greater, and else, I mean, if you just run this, nothing is going to print because a is not greater than b. But if I copy or just continue here and say else colon print b is greater, so now I run this, it says b is greater because b is greater. Similarly, I can change the, let's say if less, even though it doesn't make sense, a is greater because a is less than b, you can change the values. But this is your statement which will be kind of evaluated for if it's true or false, and if it's true, this will be executed. If not, the second else will be executed. You can do it similarly for some list. Let's say if I create a list of, can't use the list keyword, you can say 1 4 and 6, 1 4 and 5. Now I want to see if 3 in list 1. So does 3 exist in list 1? If you see 1 4 5, so that means 3 doesn't exist. So I can say print it's there, else not there. So if I run this, it's gonna say not there because 3 doesn't exist. If I say 4 and run it, it's gonna say it's there. So that's how if else conditional loops work, where it actually going to check if a particular condition is true, then do it, else do something else. It's quite helpful in programming and we'll be using it quite a lot.